Hey guys, Matthew Latendra here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to, I just recently did a Facebook Live not too long ago, and what I'm going to show you is how to upload that video onto YouTube, onto your YouTube channel. So this is how you do it. So you see this, you just hover your cursor over the video, and you see this download video. You clicked on that. And then then right here where it says download, you want to right click on it, and then you want to say save link as. So one thing I learned about YouTube, if you're uploading a video file, whatever you name the video file is what the title will be. So we're going to make it Facebook Live on video marketing. So that's how you do it right here. And then you just click save. And then what you want to do now is you just want to come to YouTube and you want to hit the little camera here. That's your upload button. This is also showing you how to upload a video too. So it's kind of like two trainings at once. So you can either drag and drop it into here, or you can just hit this button right here, this little arrow. You have the choice to make it whatever you want. If you want to schedule it to upload at a certain time, you can. You can keep it private for now, just in case you need to tweak some of the tags or keywords on your video, or you can just make it public. We're just gonna keep it private for now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just click on this arrow, and we're going to take our video, hit open, and now what's going to happen is it's going to upload onto the onto your channel, and it's that easy. So what you want to do is again, you just click on this video, click on this download thing, and then this window will pop up. You right click, not left click, on it, and then hit save link as, and then you can name it whatever you want, hit save, and then that's how you do it, guys. It's very simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very quick video that I just wanted to show you guys, just to give you more pointers and tips on how to do this. If you would like to take a look at my business opportunity as well, you can check that out in the link below. And also make sure, if you like this video, hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more of my videos. And also make sure you hit that notification bell next to that subscribe button, because that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.